Welcome in my video. Myself Devin Singh, TGT Math JNB Bareilly. In this video, we will discuss about the decimal number, and this video is the decimal part 2. The previous video was my decimal part 1. In this part, we will discuss about the some more contents as conversion of fraction to decimal, conversion of decimal to fraction, mixed fraction as a decimal number, expanded form of decimal number, like and unlike decimal numbers, ordering of decimal numbers, or we can say comparing of decimal number. So let me start one by one. First we discuss conversions of fraction to decimal. Here we have write some fractions. 3 upon 10 is a fraction, 24 upon 10 is a fraction, 32 upon 100 is a fraction, 9 upon 100 is a fraction, 281 upon 1000 is a fraction. All these are the fraction. And we convert into decimal. How we write in decimal? Decimal, it is divided by 10. So the numerator will be at the 10th place. It means 0.3. It is divided by 10. So we will write it. We will divide 24 and write the 2.4. We make a point after the first digit from the left. 24 by 10, 2.4. When we divide 32 upon 100, we write in decimal as after 2 place. We put the point after 2 place. 0.32. 9 upon 100. We put the point after 2 place. But here is only 1 place. So what we have to do? We will increase a digit by putting 0 in this way. 0.09. 218 upon 1000. There are 1000 with 3 zeros. 10 to power 3. So we will make 3 tens after 3 place. 1, 2, 3, 0.281. After 1000, here is only 2 digit. So what we have to do? We have to write 0 at the left of 4. 0.04. This is the method to change the fraction to decimal when the denominator is 10, 100, 1000 are the powers of 10. But some more fractions, we write the decimal to fraction. If the decimal is 0.6, how we can write in fraction? We remove the point and make a whole number. When we remove this point, there will be whole number 6. And upon denominator will be point is read as 1 and increase the 0. How many digits after the decimal? 1. As number of digits after the digit, we increase number of zeros. If there is 1 digit, we increase the 1 zero. In this case, we will remove the point. The whole number will be 12, and in the denominator we write 1 and increase the 0 after this one. How many zeros? 2 zeros, because there are 2 digits after the decimal. In this number 1.27 be representing in fraction form. Remove the decimal. Here whole number will be 127 upon this point taken as here we will write the 1 and increase the 0 at the right of 1. How many zeros? Here the digits are 2, so we increase, we will write 2 zeros. In this form, we remove the point, the whole number became 4 upon, we write the 1 and write the zeros. How many zeros? The number of, equal to the number of digits, there are 2 digits, so we write the 2 zeros. In this case, first we remove point, whole number will be 378 upon, we write 1 and write the zeros. How many zeros? Equal to the number of digits after the decimal. How many digits? 3, so we write the 3 zeros. Similarly in this case, so we convert the decimal in fraction in this method. What are doing here? First we remove the decimal, write the whole number as numerator and upon write 1 and write zeros. How many zeros? Equal to the number of digits after the decimal place. Next, how we can write the mixed fraction as a decimal number? 15 whole 3 by 3 upon 10. This will be in the decimal form. 15 whole, so we write 15 whole. 3 upon 10, it means 3 tenths. We have write at the 10th place. 101 whole, we have write the 101 as whole part, and 12 upon 100 means 112. It means we have write point after 12 hundreds. 11 whole, 11 upon 100, we have write the whole part is 11, so we write 11 and 11, we have write it 11 upon 100 as 0.11 because the upon 100, so we have write to up to 100 place, so 1 1. 76 whole 2 upon 1000, whole part is 76, we have to write this is the 1000, so we have to write up to 1000 place, so this will be up to 1000 place, so we will write 002. If we write 2 here, then it will become up to 10th place. We write here 2, it will become up to 100th place. So in this way, we write mixed fraction as the decimal. We can take some more example from the exercise. Now the expanded form of a decimal number. We can write the expanded form the decimal number. Suppose this is the number 15.217. How we read it? 15.217. So we can expand it. How we expand it? By adding the place value of each digit of this number. So first is at the 10th place multiplied by 1 is multiplied by 10. What is the place value of 5? 5 is at the 1st place, so we'll multiply by 1. What is the place value of 2? 2 is the 10th place, we will multiply 2 by 1 upon 10. 1 is at the 100th place, this one, so it will multiply by 1 upon 100. This 7, this 7 is at the 1000th place, we will multiply it by 1 upon 1000. These are the individual place values of each digit. When we add these values, then this form is known as the expanded form. So how we write the expanded form of this number? By multiplying the place value. 1 multiplied by 10, plus 5 multiplied by 1 because it is at the 1 place, plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 10 because it is at 10th place, plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 100 because it is at the 100th place, plus 7 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 because it is at the 100th place, 1000th place. Now in this number 6 is at the 10th place, so 6 multiplied by 10, 2 is at the 1st place, plus 2 multiplied by 1, 3 is at the 10th place, so plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 10, plus 0 is at the 100th place, so 0 multiplied by 1 upon 100 because the 1 upon 100 is the place value of 100th place. 6 plus 6 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 because 6 is at the 1000th place. So this form will be the expanded form of the 62.306. So each number can be write in the expanded form, either that is whole number or that is decimal number. Look at this number. 7 is at which place? 100 place. So 7 is multiplied by 100 plus 6 is at the 10th place. So 6 multiplied by 10 plus 2 is at the 1st place. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 at the 10th place. So 0 multiplied by 10 plus 2 is at the 100th place. So 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 100 plus 7 is at the 1000th place. So 7 is multiplied by 1 upon 1000. So we can write this number also. Now in next, the expanded form of a decimal number. It is the reading method. This number, how we can read? 14.657. This is the exponent for 1 tens, 4 ones, 6 tens, plus 5 hundredths, 7 thousandths. In this 800, 0 tens, 3 ones, 3 tens, 1 hundredths, 6 thousandths. Similarly, in this number 2 tens, 4 ones, 4 tenths, 0 hundredths, 5 thousandths. In this number 100, 2 tens, how many ones? 7 ones. How many tens? 2 tens. How many hundreds? 5 hundredths. How many thousand? 3 thousandths. To write in expanded form, we will multiply by each digit with its place value. This is the another form. The next, we will discuss about the like and unlike decimals. What are the like decimals and what are the unlike decimal? How we can identify the like and unlike decimals? 2 or more decimals are said to be like decimals. If there are 2 or more than 2 decimals are said to be like decimals if the number of digits in their decimal part is same. If the number of digits in the decimal parts are same, not different. If any number written up to 2 places after decimal and a number written up to 3 places after decimal. So these are the having different number of digits after decimal places. In these numbers, we are seeing here that after the decimal places, bold underline part, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. All these decimal numbers written up to 2 places. So all those decimals which written up to the same number of places, they are like decimals. Again, 2 or more decimal are said to be like decimals if the number of digit in their decimal parts is same, and 2 or more decimal are said to be unlike decimals if the number of digit in their decimal part is different. As you seeing here the number of digit in this number after decimal 1, here after decimal digit 2, after decimal digit 3, after decimal digit 4. So all these are the unlike fractions. So in nutshell, the like fractions are the fractions in like decimals are the decimals which having the number of digits same after the decimal, and unlike decimals are the decimals which having the number of digits different after the decimal. Next, converting unlike decimal into like decimal. How we convert unlike decimal into like decimal? First, this number and this number. Look at the both number. This number up to written thousandth place. This number written up to tenth place. It means this number have 3 digit in the decimal part. This number have 1 digit in decimal part. So these are not like decimal. We can convert in like decimal. How? The number of digit in decimal part is 3 here. The number of digit in decimal part is 1 here. So the two decimal given above are unlike decimals. We will change into the like decimals. How? To make them like decimals, we write the zeros behind the decimal part of the decimal number which has less number of digits. If this decimal having the less number of digit in decimal part, so we increase 0 in this part. If this number has the less decimal number of digits in decimal part, we increase the zeros in that number. But in this case, here the decimal number here the digit number of digit in decimal part is 3 and the number of digit in decimal part is 1. So the number of less digit is here. So we will increase the zeros here, not here, to make 3, because here are 3 digit, here 1 digit. So how we have to make the 3 digit? How? By increasing to zeros. In this way, in the decimal part there are 3 digit. Now here also the 3 digit, but the value will remain same. Why? Because 3 will multiply by its value, because this 0 is multiplied by its place value, it will become the 0, and the 0 is multiplied by its place value, it also becomes 0. When we add the value, there will be no change. So now these are the like decimals. Now some more examples to convert unlike decimal into like decimal. These are some decimals. You have to convert in like decimal. 1.8, 31.6, 29, 17.26, 5.01. We have to make them like fractions. The maximum number of, first we have to save the maximum number of digit. The maximum number of digits in the decimal part is 3. So you have to make each decimal number up to thousands place. That means we have to make 3 digit in decimal part by writing 0 behind it. For example, 1.8, one place, so we increase to 0 to make 3. In this case, this is the maximum. In this case, 17.26, there are 2 digits, so we increase only 1 0. Here 2 digit, we will increase only 1 0. In this way, now in the decimal part, the number of digits are same. In the next, here are some numbers: 85.785, 201.3, 9.1, 16.65. We will make them like decimal by same method. First we see the maximum number of digit in the decimal part. Here the maximum number of digit in the decimal part is 3. So we have to make the number of digit in the decimal part 3 by writing the zeros. So this is the maximum number of digit in the part. So we'll write the same 85.785. Here the number of digit in decimal part is 1. So we will increase 2 zeros to make 3. Here the number of digit in decimal part 1. So we'll increase 2 zeros. Here the number of digits in decimal part 2. So we'll increase 1 0. In this way you can make unlike decimal to into the like decimal. You can convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Next, this is another example. These fractions written 6.72, 6.271, 6.2 and 0.006. So first we see the maximum number of digit in decimal part. So how many maximum digit? 3 digits. So you have to make maximum 3 digit in decimal part of each decimal number. We will make the 3 digit in this decimal number by increasing 0. We will make 3 digit in this decimal number already written. We will make the 3 digit by writing 2 zeros. We will make 3 digit already written here. So in this way, now in decimal parts all the numbers have 3 digit. In this way they are now like decimals. You have to solve it yourself, try it, and some more problems you can note down from your textbook or from the practice sheet, and you can do easily. Now how we compare the decimal number? Ordering of decimal number. Now we are going to compare the decimal number. To compare the decimal number, we have to keep in mind first we compare the whole number part. First we compare the whole number part. Then we compare the digit in the tens place. If not able to compare, then we'll compare the digits in the hundredth place. If we'll not able to compare, then we'll compare the digits in the thousand place. It means We will see, first we will see the whole number part. If the whole number part not deciding the ordering of decimal number, not deciding the greater or smaller, then what we will do? We will see the tens place, digits of tens place. Here also not able to decide, then we will see the hundred place. Till here we are also not able to decide to order of the decimal number. We will see the thousands place. Now we will compare the decimal numbers and write them in ascending order. Here are written the some decimal numbers. The decimal numbers are 6.035, 6.53, 6.005, 6.359. We have to arrange them in ascending order. How we can write in ascending order? You have to make them by converting these unlike decimal in like decimal. These are the unlike decimals. First we make the unlike decimals. Now we will compare some decimal numbers. Here some numbers are 6.035, 6.53, 6.005 and 6.359. So we have to compare these numbers and write these numbers in ascending order. These are the decimal numbers which are the unlike decimal numbers. Why? Because the number of digits in the decimal parts are not same. So to compare, to write in ascending order, first we write these number in like decimal numbers. First we make them like decimal numbers. So we make them like decimal number. The maximum number of digit in the decimal part is 3. So we make the number of digit in decimal part 3 like as 6.035. This number is, and this number will be 6.53 and increase, write 10. This number already written in 3 digit in the decimal part. 3 digit in decimal part. So now we have been converted these unlike decimal number in like decimal number. In step 2, what we will do? Now we compare the digit in the whole number parts and the corresponding place in the decimal parts, and we will get the ascending order. Another method you can find in this way also. After writing in like decimal, we ignore the point. Then the number will look like as a whole number. Now you can compare the whole number easily, and after comparison you can write the ascending order. Next one, in this problem some numbers are also here: 400.27, 400.072, 400.72, 400.7. What we will do here? First we convert the unlike decimal into like decimal. So the maximum number of digit here in decimal part 3. So we will make the 3 digits in decimal part by writing the 0. So in this step, 400.270, 400.072, 400.720, 400.700. The decimal part have 3 digits. Now we compare the digit in whole number parts and corresponding place in decimal part and write the ascending order. You can also write by another method, as I told you, that ignore the decimal. After ignoring the decimal, you will get all the number as a whole numbers, and you can compare the whole number easily and write in ascending order. Another problem. Here are the numbers: 218.81, 281.82, 281.81, 218.9. So all these are also the unlike decimal fraction, unlike decimal numbers. You have to make them like decimals. The maximum number of digits 2. So you have to make the number of digit 2 in decimal part. These are the numbers having the 2 digit in the decimal part. Now they have been in the like decimals. Now compare the digit in the whole number part and the corresponding place in the decimal part. You will get a order. You can also get by removing the decimal, the number is whole number, and you can compare easily. Now you have to try for this number yourself, and some more questions you can do. Thank you.